Let's run this in 3, 2, 1, go! Both blue robots quick to move, pick up a mobile goal. So we've got 8574A machine pulling a little 180 there, dropping off their mobile goal. However, oh, there we go. They slide it forward to the last second, get the bonus. So blue gets the bonus. Driver control mode in 3, 2, 1, go! Another wonderful match with all 4 robots rolling. 8574A pulling a little wheelie, showing their driving skills, self-righting themselves. Meanwhile, ADX, the VEXMEN, have their drivers loading their machine. So VEXMEN stacking up 7. Now here comes 8. They'll keep going higher and higher as we have 1 minute and 20 seconds left roughly in the match. Looks like we got a little tangle here. 11002C and 8574A are locked together. It looks like they just got stuck somehow mechanically. They're trying to free themselves. Meanwhile, ADX VEXMEN, they drop off what looks like a dozen. They have a dozen cones scored on the mobile goal. They drop it into the 10-point zone. Then they drop another mobile goal into the 20-point zone with 1 cone. So they do have the highest stack in the 20 and 10-point zones now. However, red has 1 more scored in the 10-point zone. They score a third, so all 4 mobile goals scored for red. Blue has scored 2. Both alliances have 1 on the stationary goal as we're down to the final 10 seconds of the match now in match 147. VEXMEN, another mobile goal dropped off. We're down to 5 seconds now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good match. Quite a